into this game.
And it's something that every business needs. Like, first of all, every business sucks at making content. Oh, like almost every business out there, and they suck at producing it. They suck like the whole process. And when it comes to video editing, you guys have a very intuitive tool to use. Well, first of all, I learned Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects, which are super like complex. And then I came to your tool and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is not like this is nothing to learn. But for an average Joe that like doesn't dive in, like yes, there is a learning curve, but it's very small. Like most people that are like used to interacting with technology on a day-to-day basis can get this tool pretty quickly. And learn Kapwing and learn the process of editing videos. And after that, that makes it where you can easily create and produce a lot of content, because a lot of businesses need that. They need a way to produce a lot of content, but they say, oh, I don't have enough money to hire a video editor. I don't have enough money to do all these things. But you can do all that through Kapwing easily if you wanted, and that's if you want to edit your videos and add the captions and everything else to have those optimizations. You don't necessarily have to do that, but it's going to make your video where you get more engagement, and it's going to make it where you have a lot more success on your videos too. So it's really important that businesses understand that you can easily edit these videos with these tools that are super simple to use for free.
Yes.